In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to your Shopify product description. Adding a GIF is a great way to bring your product pages to life, show movement, or highlight features in a fun, eye-catching way. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to add any GIF you like, using a simple copy and paste method. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. Once you're on the main admin screen, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This is where all your products are listed. From your products list, choose the product where you want to add a GIF. Click on the product name to open the product editor. You'll see the product title, images, pricing, and importantly, the description section. Click inside the description box to place your cursor where you want to work. Next, look for the option to show HTML for the description. This is usually an icon that looks like angled brackets. Click on that, and your description will switch from the regular text view to the HTML view. Don't worry if the code looks a bit unfamiliar. You'll only need to paste one small piece of code. Now, in that HTML view, create a space exactly where you want your GIF to appear. This might be between two paragraphs, after some text, or at the very top or bottom of the description. Just make sure your cursor is in the right spot. Next, open a new browser tab and go to a free GIF site such as Giphy. Browse or search for a GIF that fits your product or brand. When you find one you like, click on it to open the detailed view. On that GIFs page, look for the embed option. Click on embed and you'll see a block of code provided for you. Click on the button to copy that code to your clipboard. Go back to your Shopify product page, still in the HTML view of the description, and with your cursor in the space you created, paste that embed code. This code tells Shopify to load and display the GIF directly in your description. When you're done, click Save in the top or bottom corner of the product editor. After saving, refresh the page or click on View in your online store to see the live product page. You should now see your newly added GIF showing up right inside the product description. Ready for your